In today's video, we're going to do a workshop on SEO, and by the end, you are going to know how to rank #1 on Google, even if you are not a techie. Now, let's start by saying who this is for. This workshop is for entrepreneurs, coaches, consultants, creatives, and small business owners who are tired of being invisible online. Look, you have something incredible to offer, but if no one can find you, then no one can buy from you. It's as simple as that. Whether you're running a local service business, an online coaching brand, or growing an agency, this training will give you the tools to rank, be seen, and generate qualified traffic without having to master ads or social media. If you have ever said, I just want people to find me online, then this is for you.
Ignition sequence start. 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Today I'm here hoping to be able to interview Joey Wilder. He is the creator, inventor, founder, you name it.
We have Joey Wilder, first time coming on the show.
But at that moment, I had a choice to make. I either hit this while it's hot, while people are hyped up about it, or kind of let it simmer out. And I've been told by many great mentors that it's all about the timing of things.
So welcome to the SEO Mastery Workshop, how to rank #1 on Google, even if you're not a techie. Now, my name is Joey Wilder. I am the founder of Growth Partners Marketing. And over the last few years, I've helped more than 1,100 business owners go from invisible to irresistible by getting them found on Google. Let's be honest. Most people don't have a traffic problem, they have a visibility problem. If your website looks great, but it isn't bringing in qualified leads, it's not a design issue. It's because you're not being discovered in search. And that ends today. This workshop is going to be your step-by-step path to showing up, standing out, and scaling through the search. Now, here's what you'll learn today. By the time we're done, you will know exactly how to identify keywords your buyers are already searching, optimize your homepage and service pages for visibility, dominate local search with your Google business profile, use the Search Console to track what's working and see what's not, and build SEO momentum with a simple, repeatable plan. And on top of that, you'll learn how to leverage high authority backlinks, which is one of the top ranking factors in 2025. Now, this is tactical, actionable, and built for people who don't want to guess anymore. Most websites don't get traffic because Google doesn't understand or trust them. And over 93% of users never scroll past the first page of results. Think about it. When you Google something, you click the first option that is below the 2 sponsored pages. Imagine if that was you. Now, if you are not anywhere near the first page, that means you're not ranking. And it also means you're not even an option. But here's the good news. Ranking isn't about tricks. It's about alignment. Are you using the words people are searching? Are your pages structured in a way that Google can actually read? Are you building the right kind of trust signals? This workshop is going to answer all 3. And let's start with step 1, which is finding your buyer keywords. This is where everything starts. If you don't know what your buyers are typing into Google, you simply won't show up in front of them. Your website could look beautiful, your offer could be life-changing, but without alignment to real search terms, you'll just stay invisible. And here's why this actually matters. Search is intent-based. Unlike social media where people scroll passively and you're consistently fed things you did not consent to seeing, Google users are actively searching for solutions. When you align your site with keywords that reflect the buying intent, you put yourself in front of the most ready-to-act traffic available online. And here's how to find them. There's this thing called Google Autocomplete, and you can type in a service or a product and see what suggestions show up. These reflect actual user queries. My personal favorite is Ahrefs. It's one of the most powerful SEO tools on the market. You can see which keywords competitors rank for, their traffic value, and what new opportunities exist, and even the pages that they are utilizing. Now, there's also Uber Suggest or Keywords Everywhere, which are great for quick checks on monthly volume, keyword difficulty, and related ideas. And lastly, there's Surfer SEO, which is especially helpful for content-focused businesses, and it shows you how to structure content around your keywords and where to actually include them. Now, once you've actually collected your list of keywords, identify 3 to 5 primary keywords. Now, these are services you want to rank for. And then 10 to 20 secondary keywords. These would also be referred to as long tail keywords. These really do well for blog and support content opportunities. Now, some examples of high ranking keywords and why they work. Let's think personal injury lawyer in Dallas. There's high buyer intent, there's location specificity, and it's service targeted. Best online therapist for anxiety. It's solution driven, emotionally relevant, and includes a clear target. Private chef Los Angeles. It's a local service with transactional search intent. How to write a press release for a product launch. It's informational but high in value for service agencies. Executive leadership coach near me. It's a mix of professional specificity and location-based intent. Now, here's what you actually do with them. You use these keywords everywhere. Your homepage, service pages, blog content, and your Google business profile. This is your SEO compass. If you get this right, every other part of your strategy becomes way more effective and way easier if you lay the foundation correctly. Now, step 2 is optimize your homepage. Your homepage is not just for branding. It's literally your front door to Google. If someone Googles your name, your company, or your service in their city, your homepage is often the first thing that they will see. And more importantly, it's one of the first things that Google will evaluate to decide whether you should show up in search results at all. It's one of the first things Google will evaluate to decide whether you should show up in search results at all. And here's why this matters. Google doesn't just rank pages at random. It's looking for clarity, relevance, and user experience. If your homepage isn't clear about who you help, what you do, where you do it, you're signaling confusion instead of authority. Your homepage should act as both a storefront and a roadmap. It should tell Google and your users what you do, who you help, where you're located, if that's relevant, what to do next, and here's what to include. It really comes down to having a clear headline with your primary keyword. Divorce lawyer in Nashville. A strong title tag and a meta description that encourages clicks. A strong title tag and meta description that encourage clicks in the search results. A short, compelling intro paragraph that uses your target keyword naturally. Internal links to your most important service pages. Now, this really helps spread SEO strength. Also, make sure your alt text is on images with clear call to actions like book a consultation, get a free quote, take the quiz. And here's an optimization pro tip. Submit your homepage to Google Search Console after making changes. This ensures that it gets crawled, indexed, and evaluated faster. Now, remember this. Your homepage doesn't need to say everything, but it does need to say the right things to both your users and Google. Clarity is the secret to visibility. And if you're not there yet, we can fix that together. Moving into step 3, fix your service pages. Let's just get one thing clear. Your services deserve to be found, but if they're all jammed into a single page with no structure or focus, Google has no idea what to do with them. Here's why this actually matters. Google ranks pages, not businesses. Each page you publish has the potential to rank for a different search query. So when you isolate each service onto its own page, you give Google and your future clients the clarity they need to find exactly what they're looking for. When all your services live on one page, you're not just confusing Google, but you're missing dozens of ranking opportunities. Here's what to do instead. Let's say you offer nutrition coaching, personal training, and mindset therapy. Each one needs a keyword-rich URL. An example would be /nutrition-coaching or /mindset-therapy. A strong H1 headline with the service keyword, online nutrition coaching for professionals, and subheadings that reflect search intent, like frequently asked questions or benefits, and a clear explanation of who it's for and the results it delivers. This is a good place for testimonials, visuals, and call to action specific to that offer. And lastly, internal links that send traffic to and from your homepage or related blogs. Now, here's why this actually helps. When someone searches nutrition coaching for busy professionals, you'll now have a page that speaks directly to that, and Google will reward the relevance. By giving every service its own page, you increase your keyword coverage, improve your chances of ranking in multiple search results, you create a better user experience for your audience, and there's no more hiding your best offers in a drop-down menu. Let's make them visible and rankable, and so people can actually make an informed decision. Now, moving on to step 4. This is your Google business profile and local SEO. Let's talk about local visibility. One of the fastest ways to start ranking and getting leads, especially if you serve a specific geographic area. Here's why this matters. Nearly half of all Google searches are local. That means millions of people are actively looking for businesses near me. And if your business isn't showing up in the map pack, you're missing the easiest traffic available. Google's local map pack appears above organic results and is triggered by local intent. Even if someone doesn't type in a city, if Google knows their location, it shows the top 3 businesses. And your job is to make sure that you're one of them. Now, here's how to claim your spot. You're going to verify your Google business profile. Now, this is step 1. Claim it, verify it, fill it out completely. Add all your service pages, categories, and keywords. Don't just put coach. Include divorce coach for men, executive coach for CEOs, or whatever describes your niche. Post weekly. Add Google posts using keyword-focused headlines, photos, or event promos. Get local reviews. Encourage clients that have a good experience to leave reviews that mention your service in your city. For example, the best chiropractor in San Diego. Now, you're also going to upload photos regularly. Google rewards fresh, geotagged images that show real customer interaction. And why this actually works is Google business profiles rank fast and local intent gets prioritized. That means even if your website isn't ranking yet, you can still generate visibility, calls, and clicks through your profile. Now, here's the pro tip. Use tools like BrightLocal or SEMrush's local SEO feature to track how you're appearing across listings and spot citation errors that could be costing you. Now, if you want results fast, this is where you start. Let's make sure your neighbors and local clients can actually find you. Now, moving on to step 6, authority backlinks and ranking trust. Let's now cover one of the most influential yet often misunderstood elements of SEO, backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? A backlink is when another website links to your website. Think of it like a digital vote of confidence, a cosign. It's a signal to Google that your content is worth referencing and therefore worth ranking. And why this actually matters is because Google's algorithm considers backlinks one of the most powerful ranking signals. In fact, when combined with good on-page SEO and keyword targeting, high-quality backlinks can rapidly accelerate your site's rise in the search results. But not all backlinks are created equal. A link from a trusted directory or a relevant niche blog is far more valuable than hundreds of low quality, spammy links from random websites that you probably found on Reddit. Now, here's how to actually start earning authority backlinks. Use SEMrush or BrightLocal for directory distribution. These tools help you get listed on trusted directories like Yelp, Bing Places, Yellow Pages, and industry-specific databases. These listings improve your local SEO and send consistent trust signals to Google. Leverage your local and niche directories. Get listed on regional sites, association directories, or partner websites, and make sure your business name, address, and phone number, NAP, are consistent every single place that you have them. And the final one is create high-value, niche-specific content. Solve a real problem, then reach out to blogs or businesses that cater to your audience. Pitch a guest article, expert quote, or infographic that includes a link back to your site. You are literally trading authority. You can also get featured on podcasts, press releases, or major publications. This is where authority backlinks go to the next level. For example, I'm a contributing writer for Entrepreneur Magazine. My author profile includes a backlink directly to my website. And because Entrepreneur has a very high domain rating, I get Google's credibility by association. When I write articles for Entrepreneur or other PR outlets that I write for, I often include backlinks for clients, businesses, or products, giving them trusted exposure and SEO lift at the same time. Now, you can fix the internet and broken link outreach by using tools like Ahrefs and Broken Link Checker. This allows you to find outdated or broken links on blogs and industry sites, then offer your relevant content as a replacement. Look, here's the bottom line. High authority backlinks aren't just about SEO juice. They build brand credibility, increase referral traffic, and help you dominate long terms. Backlinks basically say this site is worth it, and in Google's eyes, that is the ultimate trust signal. Look, here are my final thoughts. I want to bring it home with this. I know all of this can sound like a lot, and I gave you a lot of information today between keyword research, homepage optimization, backlinks, and all the technical tools, and I get that it's a lot to take in. Now, if you're feeling overwhelmed or just not sure where to start, you are not alone. That's exactly why we're offering you a completely free SEO analysis and a clear, personalized roadmap. Now, you've now seen how structured SEO, done the right way, helps you show up, stand out, and generate leads without relying on ads or social media. But here's the truth. SEO isn't a one-size-fits-all strategy. Your niche is different, your market is different, your website structure, content, your backlinks, they're all unique to you. That's why we're offering you a completely free SEO analysis. Here's how it works. When you book a call with our team, we will personally audit your website using the same criteria Google uses. We'll identify the keyword gaps, we'll take a look at the broken links and the underperforming pages, we'll review your Google business profile and local search strength, and we will show you how your competitors are ranking and why, and we will help you map out a custom 30-day SEO game plan to boost your rankings fast. Look, there's no pressure, there's no obligation. We just want to give you an SEO plan and show you where you're actually at. We just want to give you clarity. Whether you want to implement it yourself or if you would like support with that and have our team do it with you, this call gives you the confidence to move forward. You will know exactly what's wrong, you'll know exactly what to fix, and you'll know how to start showing up where your customers are already searching. If that sounds good to you, click below to book your free SEO analysis call or go to seo.joeywilder.com. Let's fix your visibility and make Google your #1 lead source. Book now. Let's get you on page #1. If you enjoyed this training, do me a favor, hit the like button and subscribe down below. Head over to seo.joeywilder.com. Get your free analysis today, and I will see you on the inside. Peace.